Hello, little learners. Welcome back to our phonics class. Today, we will learn third set of phonics. Listen carefully and repeat after me. G says G. Repeat after me. G. 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 Now, let's learn some words with G. G. Goat. G. Girl. G. Grapes. G. Gift. G. Garden. Great job! O says aw. Repeat after me. Aw. 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 Now, let's learn some words with aw. Aw. Orange. Aw. Octopus. Aw. Owl. Aw. Oven. Aw. Ox. Well done! U says Repeat after me. Now let's learn some words with umbrella. Uncle. Up. Under. Uniform. Awesome! L says L. Repeat after me. L. 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 Now let's learn some words with L. L. Lion. L. Leaf. L. Lamp. L. Lemon. L. Ladder. Excellent. F says F. Repeat after me. Now let's learn some words with F. Fish. Fan. Frog. Flower. Flag. Nice work. B says B. Repeat after me. B. 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 Now let's learn some words with B. B. Ball. B. Bat. B. Banana. B. Book. B. Bus. Fantastic! Quiz time! Let's say all the sounds together. G, A, U, F, B. Amazing work! Now it's your turn. What is the beginning sound of goat? What is the beginning sound of orange? What is the beginning sound of umbrella? What is the beginning sound of lion? What is the beginning sound of fish? What is the beginning sound of ball? Great job, little learners! Keep practicing your sounds every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.